Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fully AI-powered music video from scratch using only free tools. If you are interested, make sure to stick around till the end. But before we dive in, like this video and subscribe to my channel to keep me going. First, head over to ChatGPT and paste in this prompt. ChatGPT will generate the lyric for the song. It will also give us a style description to be used in Suno AI. Now head to Suno AI and sign up for an account if you don't have one. You should get a homepage like this once you are signed in. Now click on Create from the list and it will redirect you to this page. Paste in your lyrics from ChatGPT. Scroll down to where it says Style and paste in the style description from ChatGPT. Click on Create, and in a few seconds, Suno AI will generate 2 songs for you. Select the one you want.
I used to think love was supposed to hurt.
To download it, click on the 3 dots, click Download, and select the format you want your audio to be in, and it will be saved to your device. Next, we have to generate our character who will be singing. For this, head to ChatGPT again and paste in this prompt. ChatGPT will generate 10 image prompt for you. Now to generate the image, head over to any text-to-image generator you prefer. I recommend using ImageFX. Out of the 10 prompt, copy the one you want and paste it in. Now click on Create, and in a few seconds your image will be generated. Select the one you want and click on the Download button to save it to your device. Next, we have to animate our character to our music audio. For this, we will use a tool called HeyGen. Sign up for an account if you don't have one. Once you are in, you see a homepage like this. Click on the Try Avatar IV, and you will be directed to a page like this. Here we upload 2 things, our character and our music audio. So I will go ahead and do that. After both files are uploaded, scroll down to the Custom Motion text boxes and paste in this prompt. Now click on Generate Video, and in a few seconds, your video will be generated. And this is what we got from HeyGen.
I used to think love was supposed to hurt, like all those movies where someone gets burned. I said I was fine.
To download it, click on the 3 dots at the right corner of the video and click on Download, and it will be saved to your device. And that's it. You've just created a full AI-powered music video in minutes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more. All the prompts and links to the websites are in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.